eating protein bars. Wow! In this video, I'm gonna be eating a bunch of protein bars and I'm going to be tier listing them. Now this video might just completely change your life because we all know what it's like when you find a protein bar that's actually good. It's just like, sometimes you want to eat a sweet treat, but you also want to get your protein in. And that is where protein bars come into play. But not only now do we have bars, we also have things like protein donuts, which I'm super excited to try. Let's get into it. I'm back in a new outfit. This is, I don't know how to explain this. I'll fashion show it. This is my first legitimate tier list. How to build a tier list. Okay, so we've got a total of 9 protein bars here. So we've got Quest, Alani Nu, something called Keto Wise. I'm very skeptical. MRE bar, something called Wow Protein Donut. Wow, wow. Oatmeal protein cookie, oatmeal pie. This looks like a fun time. Quest peanut butter cups, something called a Smart bar. We'll see. And then a Built bar, I don't know if I already showed you this. And then an Eat Me Guilt-Free birthday cake brownie. Now in our tier list, we have 4 categories. At the top of the list, almost as good as a Reese's Fast Breaks. You guys know that I love Reese's Fast Breaks.
Milk chocolate, soft nougats, Reese's peanut butter.
Second one down is a very tasty protein bar, meaning that like it still tastes like a protein bar. I'm not fooled, but it's tasty. Then the next one down is tastes like a protein bar, meaning it's like not that good, but it gets you your protein in. Do you get what I'm saying? So tastes like a protein bar means it tastes like a protein bar, which means I would probably rather eat something else, like a regular brownie or a regular piece of birthday cake. And then the last category is I rather eat kale, and this D one there is just me messing up and making a tier list. Let's get this party started. All right, so this whole little brownie has 190 calories, 10 grams of carbs, 22 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat. Not bad for the macros. I bet you I could make something like this, but we all know that takes a lot of work and dishes and pans, which, you know, this is what it looks like. Smell. I can kind of smell like the proteiny flavor. Okay, it's a little bit dry. What are the macros again? I don't think it's worth it. So I'm gonna put the Eat Me Guilt-Free bar in I'd rather eat kale. Well, actually, you know what? It tastes like a protein bar, meaning like I probably wouldn't buy it again. I would rather just eat a brownie. Now we're gonna go into the Built bar. This bar has 180 calories, 3 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, 19 grams of protein. I'd rather eat kale. There's gonna be the haters that like these and they're gonna say, hey, you know, you didn't heat it up, or that wasn't their best flavor. Listen, you're only as good as your shittiest product. Just like my YouTube channel is only as good as the shittiest video. This might just be the shittiest video on my channel. So far, I am extremely disappointed. Ugh. I need something good. I need something I know that's good. The Reese's peanut butter cups, because I've heard great things about these. A typical Reese's 2 peanut butter cups, I believe, is 230 calories. This is 190 calories, so that saves you about 40 calories. But there's 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of carb, 15 grams of fat. I guess I can see the allure that these have less, actually, these have less than 1 gram of sugar. So if you are a diabetic, these Reese's cups might be a good option for you, but I'm gonna tell you if they're even worth it. Not bad. Okay. I can see the allure. I've had the sugar-free version of this. I think it's called Russell Stover, or I think it's like Lily's. I've had those before. They're good, but I think these are better. This is the best low sugar peanut butter cup that I've ever had. So I'm gonna put this in a very tasty It's not a protein bar. We need to change this. Very tasty alternative because it's good. Much more peanut butter than I was expecting. All right, now we're gonna take a chance again. This looks questionable. The fact that it's called a Smart Bar. Oh, it's by Women's Best. Oh, this is like a Chrissy Sella bar. I like Chrissy Sella. She seems like a fun gal. See if her protein bar is any good. So this bar has 230 calories for 60 grams of actual volume, 10 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein. It's made in Germany too. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Very chocolatey. You know, it's good, but it still tastes like a protein bar. So I'm gonna put the Smart Bar in taste like a protein bar. All right, now this oatmeal cookie pie looking thing. Wow, okay, let's take a look at this. Wow, this looks fun. Look at 2 cookies with some cream inside. That looks like a fun time. The whole thing is 310 calories, 15 grams of fat, 37 grams of carbs, 14 grams of protein. I mean, you might as well just eat a regular cookie, but I guess because it's lower in sugar, this is what makes it good. It's not worth it. One more bite just to be sure. No, it's not worth it. The cookies are pretty good, but the cream inside doesn't do anything for me. And it's kind of got this like artificially taste. I'm sorry guys, it's not that good. So I'm gonna put this one in, I'd rather eat kale. Oh, that was disappointing. It looks like it would be so much fun. That's a bummer. I go for this keto-wise fat bomb situation. So this whole thing is 120 calories for 34 grams of food, 10 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. How is this keto if it has 20 grams of carbs? I don't think that's right. Well, these look pretty good. Look at, so it's like their take on peanut butter cups. And this is what you get. You get 2 of these. I'm pleasantly surprised. These are pretty good. Interesting. I don't know how helpful this would be for somebody on a keto diet because, I mean, it is a lot of carbs. It's got no sugar. I don't know, there's something that I like about the taste of this. The peanut butter is kind of grainy. It definitely tastes like the peanut butter is like mixed with coconut oil. It's not bad though. It's really, this one was surprising. I'm gonna put keto-wise in very tasty alternatives. I mean, I feel like you can't mess up a peanut butter cup. That was surprising. Okay, the MRE bar. This looks like it's marketed to like bros. So I'm not really the market for this, but you know what? Sometimes the bros have really good things that we don't know about. So for this bar, you get 67 grams of food, 9 grams of fat, 29 grams of carbs, and only 20 grams of protein. You'd think there would be more protein in this. Let's give it a try. No. No. Not good. I'm gonna put it in taste like a protein bar though because the outside tastes good, but this inside situation, like I feel like they were trying to make it taste like nougat and it just, the texture's off. But it's just kind of like sandy and dry when nougat is supposed to be like creamy. All right, next one. Okay, we got this Quest protein bar, chocolate sprinkled donut flavor. 190 calories, 8 grams of fat, 23 grams of carb, 20 grams of protein. Sprinkles. And I love the fact that it's pink. It's like they know they're marketing this towards a girl. Yeah, I can definitely taste the donut flavor. Interesting. But it still tastes like a protein bar. So I'm gonna put Quest in taste like a protein bar. I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all. All right, Elaine knew. What is this one? Peanut butter crisp flavor protein bar. This one's got 180 calories, 7 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, 16 grams of protein. A little bit higher in sugar than the other. This is 4 grams of sugar. And then 46 grams in terms of food volume. I like how it's got this like chocolate drizzle going on. Okay. This is inside. It's got this Rice Krispie thing going on inside. This is pretty good. I don't know whether it goes between a very tasty alternative or almost as good as a fast break. I don't know. It's really good. I could see people like in Europe, people in Europe are gonna watch this and be like, but seriously though, you go to Europe, they have like really interesting candy bars. I could see this being disguised as like a regular candy bar in Europe. So for that reason, I'm gonna put it under almost as good as a fast break. Because this tastes legit like a candy bar. That's impressive. Like you could eat that and be like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm eating a protein bar. It's not that high in protein, but it's definitely better than the macros of a candy bar. And then the last one we got is this Wow protein donut. You guys know I love this packaging. What is with donuts in pink? Like, why is it like they're marketing donuts to only women? Okay, whole donut is 66 grams of food for only 130 calories. Now, to juxtapose that, this bar, the MRE bar, was 67 grams of food, basically the same, and 260 calories. So basically you're getting way more food for less calories in this bar. This thing is very low in fat, so they switched the macros around and this one just lower in fat, so therefore it's gonna be lower in calories per gram of food. Okay, so let me tell you what it is. 130 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, 11 grams of protein, 5 grams of sugar. Okay, let's give it a go. I mean, it definitely tastes like a protein bar. So I'm gonna put it in taste like a protein bar. Would I rather eat kale? No. Okay, so if we were to look at this, it looks like Eleni New comes in first place. Then we've got the peanut butter cups coming in a nice second place. I think the peanut butter cups are a very good low sugar alternative to regular Reese's peanut butter cups. And then tastes like a protein bar. Most of the protein bars fall in that category. I'd rather eat kale. The Built bars are at the very bottom of the list. Hope you enjoyed watching me eat protein bars just as much as I enjoyed trying protein bars. Love you guys so much. Let's bring it in for a hug. I'll see you in the next video.